In this video, I'm going to go over why I think most people in this space, especially on crypto Twitter, from what I've seen, are going to miss this bull market. This is going to be a really lonely bull market. I've been hearing a lot of people saying, you know what, I expect us to go in a $30,000 range, $35,000, maybe $30,000 range, like lower 30s. I just don't think that's going to happen. And I'm going to tell you why. But first, I want to go over this really good tweet from Parabolit. So I don't agree with the first half of this. I'm going to go over this, all right? We're experiencing a midterm early bull market run top, specifically Bitcoin. I disagree with that. I think we are going to hit a higher high this year, more than what we've experienced before the end of the year. That's just my opinion. Next year, we hit $150,000 plus. It's the slow phase of the bull market where moves take longer. So it starts off really slow. Remember the bottom of the bear market in 2022, November? We hit $15,500. Now we are at $40-something thousand, and it's taken quite a while to get here. But as you know, we are speeding up that process. So the other half of his tweet says, market is going to get faster and faster until the blow off top. And I totally agree with that. That's how markets work. This is how a bull market works, right? But you have to understand, this is going to be a different bull market than we've experienced in the past. Why is that? Because BlackRock is involved, because Fidelity, Vanguard, eventually, many others are involved with wanting a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is eventually going to get passed. And actually, let's see, Kathy Wood from ARK Invest sold $59 million worth of Coinbase shares and $15 million of GBTC last week. Why did she do that? If you've been following my videos for a while now, you'll understand that she's probably raising money to buy Bitcoin for her spot ETF that's coming, guys. So the big boys aren't going to allow retail just to go ahead and like take their time, buy nice little dips in the market. No, they understand psychology. They understand that people are going to think that it's going to, like, the prices are going to pull back much further than they're really actually going to pull back, because BlackRock wants to buy up all of these Bitcoin that people are selling right now. And if you don't understand, these people are ruthless, all right? They are ruthless. They are going to do whatever it takes to get as much Bitcoin as possible just for that spot Bitcoin ETF. So what's happening right now in this space is that over-leveraged players are getting decimated both ways, whether they're shorting or whether they're longing. And so this is a perfect scenario for BlackRock to take advantage of that. They're going to buy a lot of Bitcoin from these people that are just going to give it away because they're being liquidated. So if you've been following us on our CT Club, the link is down below in the description. You will know what we have been doing for the past year or so, or over a year. We've been buying, and buying, while the rest of people were like, oh, it's going to hit $10,000. Never hit $10,000. I was very vocal when we hit 15,500, saying, guys, we've hit the bottom and we're going to be going up from here. So my encouragement to everyone here is to not try to time these bottoms. Like dollar cost average. This is what Heidi and I have done this is what I've done for over a decade now. It's really worked out. I don't have to time the markets. I don't have to wonder what's the price going to be next week. I don't care what it's going to be next week. I still dollar cost average. And if you want to know what we are dollar cost averaging in, the link is below for the CT Club. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.